Sam Abbassi. I'm a blockchain engineer and a crypto economic analyst. And so this is the space that we operate in. So we're blockchain advisors on Soon Software. Eric is here from Recordgram. So we're helping him out. We wrote the white paper and are building out his platform to make a music rights-based blockchain. In addition to that, we're working on making a privacy coin that we'll be announcing very soon, which does take in many different protocols. So the reason why I jumped up was because what you talked about is exactly what I do and what I analyze and what I create. So consensus is just that, right? What's your opinion on the New York agreement with SegWit2x?
It's
Well, that's part of the problem. They're closed door meetings with heads of nodes, right?
You don't have any knowledge. It's a governance issue.
Right.
Because you have not built governance processes into the protocol itself, and they're not incentivized. There's no combination of economic and social stakes.
So when you mention game theory, it's just that. Cryptocurrency, the crypto market is just that. It is the combination of computer science, economics, and game theory. You have to incentivize people to take part. You have to give them a reason and also limit them in conjunction with everyone else. So the first step is looking at the stakeholders and why they would even want to be in your ecosystem. And once they're in, how do you limit them? How do you restrict them? And how do you have them play with each other, right? I don't believe in altruism. I don't think people do things because they just want to. So it's a matter of applying that same model, not trying to change behavior, but simply trying to navigate it. I mean, it's important to remember that the technology we're leveraging is still incredibly primitive. This is very rudimentary.
We're in the beginning stage right now.
Anyone can fork a coin. I mean, Charlie Lee was a single programmer who forked Bitcoin and made Litecoin, made a few changes. Wasn't a big deal. But now things are getting more complicated. So we're going to go through the step-by-step process as to the different requirements and the different things you need to consider when making a new coin. Jake the Crypto King talks a lot about is the idea that Bitcoin is a beta version, right? It is, and it still is, and I truly believe that. I think every single fork that we have should be an improvement, right? There's going to be a lot of what are called shitcoins, and that's just part of the market. I don't believe in market saturation in coins as it stands. People will choose what works best and what doesn't work best. So it's all about incentivization. So we're going to be working on making a structured model for students to understand the different components that are involved so they can then be more educated in investing. So that's what we're doing, and that's what we're going to try and teach in the course.
Yeah, correct.